formed one of the best things na nila is you formed the Legion. It's an organization of Mama Mary in Christ the King, And she formed all these groups, and it became such a beautiful group. They were all so close with each other. But medyo pakasipinalayan, ang tawag na ngayon sa kanya ng grupo, si Mother Superior. Siya kung sa iba, siya natawag sa kanya sa iba. Prime Minister, sa amin siya, si Mother Superior. And the aspect of closeness, Priscilla and I, very, very close. Mahabang story yun. So thank you, happy birthday, and I love you.
Blow the cake. Okay.
Pero pag hindi natatawa.
Blow the cake na.
Basta wala. Saan na po? Baka napakan mo.
Lucy. Hindi.